Today I'm playing golf at the Palm Hills Golf Course in Hua Hin, Thailand. Located near the Hua Hin Airport, just off the main road. A few kilometers from downtown Hua Hin and a few kilometers from the Blue Lagoon Resort off the ocean. I had breakfast here before I played. The food was great. Great coffee, great food. The country club is like a true private country club atmosphere, although this is a semi-private golf course, anyone can play. This is the men's room here. You can see just how nice it is. So even if you're just playing this course once, you can get yourself a locker, and it has full private showers in the back. I didn't show it in the video here, just I didn't know who was back there. But you can see that it is a high quality type place and a really great experience. The golf course itself, I'm going to rank it a 4.6 out of 5. I believe that Black Mountain, I would rank Black Mountain at around 4.9. It is the #1 golf course in Thailand, and only reason I say 4.9 is that some other course could sneak up on it and be a 5, and I would give Palm Hills a 4.6. It was in great shape. It's beautiful. It's got palm trees just lining every hole. The homes on the course are spectacular, and it was in really good shape. I was actually surprised just how good a shape that Palm Hills was. My round cost me 2,600 baht, and that's for the green tees, a caddy, a golf cart, and they told me that if I got a Thai driver's license, then I'd get a discount, and the 2.6 thousand baht would drop to 1.6 thousand baht, so it may be worth it. This is my favorite hole on the course. It's a par 5. You have to drive it over the water, be very accurate, and it's just a spectacular looking hole with all the water, the big beautiful homes. They're true, really private style, very high-end homes. They do have homes for sale as low as 4 million baht, but they also go up to over 100 million baht. I believe there's one right now for sale for about 140, 150 million baht. But it was a great experience. I'm definitely coming back here in the next week or two.